Yeah, he's really enjoying himself. Just got here last night.
That's right.
Beautiful.
Beautiful place.
Yeah. And all the salmon fillet. This is the poor beach one. Around here, and we got this other one. So this got rooms in them. And I met up with a young lady, Maria Cecilia, all the way from the French. And thank you. So are you having a good time in Samoa?
Yes, it's really nice. Beautiful, wild, always close to the sea, to the ocean. Lots of food, a lot of food, good food.
Good food, there.
No
Yes.
problem for vegetarians. You can always find food for you as well.
It's your first time in Samoa?
Yes, it's my first time. And I didn't know what to expect. It was a big surprise. Beautiful surprise.
Beautiful surprise. With all, what do you like about Samoa? What stand out for you?
I think the people.
The people.
The people are really nice. They always try to help you.
Yep.
They are funny. They like sharing their culture.
Yeah.
So you learn a lot about like how the food is made, what does tattoo mean, or plenty of things.
Plenty of things. I talked to a lot of people on around Samoa, and they say the same thing.
Yes.
It's the people that makes your stay more
Yes.
interesting.
Yeah.
The country is beautiful, but the people are more friendly. They like part of you, right?
Yes.
I saw you went to church yesterday.
Yes.
How was that?
Church. Oh wow, that was an experience.
Mm.
Like beautiful singing. I
Beautiful.
don't know how people have such nice voices.
Yeah. Or the churches, the choirs are
Yeah.
beautiful.
And it's white and cheerful.
Yeah.
It's really different from what I know back
Okay.
in France. So it's really
Do you go
nice.
church in France?
Yes, I do.
You're Christian, are you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You believe in Jesus, huh?
Yes.
Oh, great. And how long are you in Samoa for?
Only 10 days.
10 days?
But if I knew you'd be like that, I would have stayed longer.
Stay longer.
Been home.
Well, tell your friends in the world that is watching our TV channels. Come to Samoa.
Once in a
Yeah.
lifetime.
Come to Samoa. It's the best place to be. The people are friendly. The food is delicious. You
Yeah.
liked that balsami yesterday, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
And
I went back for the second time. It's all gone. Everybody's just grabbed them, no?
Yeah.
And we thank you for coming on our show and appreciate it. And it's nice meeting you.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
And
I learned a lot with you as well.
yeah, and invite your friends to like and share and subscribe. You make sure you subscribe to Samoan Entertainment TV channel, because the one part of this channel is to expose the beautiful of Samoa
Yeah.
and meet the people that have been here that are looking for a place to come. They can see how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
And I talked to somebody else yesterday. They wish they could have booked a bit, but they already booked to fly back.
Yeah, like me.
Yeah. So, because,
Sure.
are you coming back to Samoa at some stage?
I hope so.
I hope so. When you get the money, come back.
Yes.
Bring a lot more French people
Yes.
here. Tell them how beautiful this country is.
Bring my friend with me.
Yeah. And they will watch you on YouTube,
Yeah.
our channel. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah. All the best, and may God bless you. Continue on that road, because you know that God loves us and guides us. And have a blessed trip back home. All good. What's your name again, Martin?
Yeah. Hello, I am Martin. And she's Mayra. Well, we are a couple from Argentina, but well, we are working in New Zealand, and so it's very easy to come here.
Okay.
Well, it's just a 3-hour flight, and well, we are in the middle of the paradise. So
So what do you think of Samoa?
it's the paradise, definitely. And the people is very nice, and well, the shows, the music, and yeah, the beach, you have plenty of space, and the water is so nice, it's so clean, and yeah,
Yeah, so
everything
you
is
swim
very
a lot.
Yeah, everything is very good here.
Yeah.
And the food,
And the food?
Yeah.
perfect, delicious.
I saw you have a lot of palusami yesterday.
Palusami.
You like palusami?
I love palusami. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Taro. Yeah.
Will you come back one day?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely be back.
Come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have to plan, but maybe we come back. It's a very good place to come for a few times.
Yeah, so you recommend to all those looking and watching our channel that to come to Samoa?
Yeah, of course, definitely. Come to eat good food, to hear good music, and to enjoy the beach.
It's very peaceful, right?
Yeah, really. Yeah. And how I say, the people is very helpful, very nice. All the people from Samoa. And the tourists
Samoa
as well.
people is really nice with
Very
us.
nice people.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the time, yeah.
All the time.
All the time.
Well, appreciate it that you come to Samoa, and we recommend Samoa to anybody watching this YouTube channel. Go Samoa!
Welcome to Samoa.
Come and enjoy this
Yeah.
beautiful beach.
How long are you gonna stay here? How long you been
We
here
are
for?
here for 1 week and we are going to stay 1 more week.
You
So we have
stay
2 weeks.
One more week.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you say that you live in New Zealand?
Yeah. We have to go back to New Zealand. Yeah.
Okay. I live in Auckland.
Yeah?
In Papatoetoe, that's where I am from.
Okay.
But I'm here to visit and promote the island of Samoa. Thank you for coming.
Thank you to you for
God
the
bless
interview.
you, and yeah, so good.
Thanks so much.
Yeah,
Beautiful Samoa.
See you next year.
yeah. We must see you back here again
Sure.
next year.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.